Mabuhay. Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is John Vincent Ganzon. And here we have a questions on, first off, how do you manage your supply of ingredients and materials to maintain quality service in the hospitality industry, ma'am?
Okay, good afternoon too. I am very proud that you are selected as the one you are choosing for this interview. So your question is about the supply, how I manage. So since we are dealing with the Bridgewater area here in Island City Mall, we are very strict in our supplies. We need to consider all the facts that we are not be losing these supplies, and we can control that throughout the operations. So we need to control all those materials for our safety for our
And also, ma'am, for a follow-up question, how do you ensure a stable supply of ingredients like flour, sugar, and butter?
In this topic, we can ensure the stability of our supplies like the flour, sugar, and butter by coordinating our own buyers. We have our purchaser and we have our monthly supplies availability so that we cannot be
On shortage?
shortage upon the operation because we do not know that there are some circumstances that like typhoon or whatsoever that can
Natural disasters.
yes can delay the supplies especially if it will become come from the other provinces like Manila or Cebu.
Okay. For a next follow-up question, ma'am, have you experienced any shortages or price increases, and how do you handle them?
Yes, we experienced that in our operation. The shortages of our supplies. It happened that we remember the sugar so very high prices.
Yes, ma'am.
So we are in difficult times. We are suffering that shortages, and we cannot know where we can deal with. So with our price, so because of that, our products increases its price because we are considering
Shortages.
the changes of price of the raw mats. It's okay.
And also, ma'am, another a third follow-up question. How does the availability of ingredients affect your daily production and customer service?
Um, the ability of the ingredients, syempre, it can affect the production area because if we have more or if we have lots of supplies, we can make some variety of products.
Like cakes and bread.
Yes, so then we can provide the needs of the consumers as well. Okay, that's all.
Also, and the last follow-up question, ma'am. How do you stay competitive with other bakeries or food business in the mall or in your area?
We can see we are a competitor. We can be a productive competitor. If we can show the good customer service as well, that's a very important. Then the products we can produce is can attract them, and they can buy that easily through the customer service. That's an important as well.
All right. Thank you, ma'am.
Mabuhay ma'am, good afternoon. So I'm Remy Dumalag, Bachelor of Science Hospitality Management. And today I would like to interview you about the challenges or the issue that you are facing in your business. So my question is, what are the main challenges your bakery faces in terms of supply chain and competitions in hospitality industry?
With regards to the supply chains and competition, um, we are undergo so competition nowadays because you can see that there are many a lots of bakeries anywhere. So what we can do is we have the enough supply, so we can produce enough grades or enough productions to our the needs of the buyers. Then we supply.
Ma'am, thank you for the follow-up questions. What common supply chain problems do you experience, like the ingredients, delivery, and suppliers?
With regards to these questions, sometimes our ingredients lack of supplies. The suppliers cannot give us enough deliveries, and there are also the times that the delivery is delayed. So we face that problems, especially that if we need it so much in our production area. Then there are also suppliers that they are increasing their price that we are now no information yet. And once we purchase that, oh, we shocked because the price is increasing. Then, okay.
The next is, how do these challenges affect your product and customer satisfaction?
Uh, this can we can say that this is a very challenging part because without the supplies, without the raw goods, we cannot produce the products that we wanted to display or we wanted to say to the customers. And also the customer satisfaction, we cannot give 100% because if we lack the supplies, so it's very challenging part. We have no supplies.
For the next, what strategies do you use to overcome these problems?
In order to minimize these problems, what we did is we contact our purchaser or buyer. We have the centralized buyers all over the tourist company. So they have their standards of 1 month mapping the robust deliveries for topping up the what the if there are losing items, they can find ways how to gather another suppliers.
What improvements do you think will help your business become more efficient and competitive in the hospitality industry?
First of all, good customer service is very important. That's why the company customers will going around back to back to go to your decision to have that good customer service. That's the very important part.
Thank you, ma'am. That's the
I just had to let you know you're